So, I've been scoping out the just arrived at Sephora, and there's a few things I'm like, I want to put that in my cart. And then there's a few things I'm like, why? Why? So if you would like to see what I am not hauling at Sephora, then just keep watching. The last thing that we'll talk about is Urban Decay came out with a palette called Back Talk Eye and Face Palette. This palette retails for $46. So first of all, every YouTuber that I've watched review this, except for one, had an issue with the mirror. It doesn't close properly. So I think the actual palette itself was not made well. Second of all, it's boring. Like, I know there's a group of excuse me. I know I know there is this whole group of consumers out there that like subtle colors, not a whole lot of pop, right? But for me, that ain't nothing I can do with this palette. Like, that is boring. 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 There's no way. And I see on the reviews it only got 3 stars on Sephora. So, alright, there's just a couple of new products on Sephora that I will not be purchasing. Let me know below if you've purchased any of these and you like them and you're like, Autumn, slow your roll, you might want to try that out. Or let me know down below, what will you not be purchasing? I'd love to hear what is your anti-haul list. So, until next time, my loves. Okay, the first thing that I looked at and said, what? Was the Tarte Minutes to Mermaid brush set. Now, this brush set retails for $42 and you get 5 brushes. So that's kind of steep. That's what? About 8 something a brush. Which, you know, 8 something a brush isn't bad, but I feel like they're pretty, but I've seen the exact same brush set or very similar on Wish for just a couple of dollars. Now, the quality may not be as good as the Tarte brushes, but I really feel like Tarte should have come up with something. I mean, if you want to do Mermaid, that's fine. I know Mermaid stuff. Some people are Mermaid obsessed. It's cool, whatever. Me personally, not so much. But if you wanted to do Mermaid, do something original. Come out with something that was going to make me go, oh, damn. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. I just feel like you looked at the Wish app and copied a brush set off of there. Okay. Another thing that is new at Sephora, and it's not as new because the hype has been there for a little bit, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. This highlighter retails for $28. It's a light gold shade. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. And I don't think $28 is bad for a highlighter. But right now, I have so many highlighters. And I'm doing the Project Pan. Don't get me started on how that's going. But I'm doing the Project Pan, so I really cannot buy a highlighter. But if I were to buy a highlighter, that would probably be the one I would get. It is really pretty. I don't know. I know so many people say they don't like highlighter palettes. I like highlighter palettes. I like having an array of choices. I'm not one to go, I pull for my highlighting palettes more than I pull for my singles. And I know that's usually the opposite of what most people do. So I don't know. Right now I'm not going to buy it. If I get to the point on my Ulta points that I have the $125 worth of points, I may get it then. But right now, I ain't buying it. Okay. We have the Too Faced Sex on the Peach Complexion Kit. This retails for $45. In this kit, you get a Better Than Sex mascara, a Peach Perfect setting powder, a mini primed and peachy primer, and a Peach Mist mattifying setting spray. I do think this is a really good deal. Some of these are my holy grails. I love that Peach Perfect setting powder. I love the Better Than Sex mascara. So if you were wanting to try some of those products, I think this is an excellent, excellent deal. You're basically paying about $10 for each product. So I'm not going to purchase it because I have most of these products. But I do think if you want to put your feet in the sand, get it. Sex on the Peach, feet in the sand. It didn't really go, did it? No. Okay. Well, anyway, I do think that that would be an excellent purchase. Another new product that kind of caught my eye, but then I went, nah, was the Milk Watermelon Brightening Serum. This retails for $36. It's supposed to be a brightening and hydrating solid serum stick. I love the concept. Let me tell you why I'm not going to purchase it. I don't think that's sanitary. These products that come in the stick, I had the Milk Cooling Under Eye Stick. And when I first got it, I used it a lot and I really liked it. But then it started looking dirty. And I'm like, you're putting that on your face. I don't like the thought of something in a stick that you put on your face. I can envision bacteria. So we won't be buying that. Fenty Beauty come out with a Fairy Balm Glittering Pom-Pom for $42. It's a limited edition, oversized glittering puff, pre-packed with superfine 3D rose gold shimmer. For $42. If you want your body to glisten and glow, go get you a Wet n Wild highlighter and just use a big brush and brush it all over your body. There's no way in hell I would drop $42 for Fairy Balm glitter for my body when I could just use a cheap highlighter. Rihanna, you got to be out of your mind. Okay. What else is new? Tarte. Okay, so Tarte, y'all riding this mermaid train. But they came out with a Mermaid Skin Hyaluronic H2O Serum. It's a vegan water light hydration serum that delivers an instant super concentrated burst of moisture. I like this idea. I like this concept. But it's $42. And I feel like Tarte, listen. Just listen. I don't like gimmicks. If you want to sell me on some skincare, sell me on some skincare. But why you gotta make it mermaid skin? I don't understand. Too Faced is so bad for that. Tarte is getting there. Like, I know this is crazy. It may be the best serum ever, but I don't want to buy it because you made it gimmicky. Does that make sense? I'm just not down for the gimmicks. So, I don't know. Okay, so in that same line of body products by Fenty Beauty, she came out with a Body Lava Body Luminizer. So this is a gel-based body luminizer made to veil skin in a gloriously dewy high shine finish. I like the concept. I told you guys I've been putting my Cover FX drops in my moisturizer, which gives me this glistening glow. So I like the thought. I like where you're going with that, Fenty. But it retails for $59. So here's what I suggest y'all do. Go to the drugstore section of Ulta, buy you the liquid highlighting drops, whatever brand you want. I think NYX makes one. I think Makeup Revolution makes one. Drop that into your lotion. Boom, you got Body Lava. And you didn't pay $59 for it. Like Rihanna. Whew, Rihanna. Okay. Tarte's. I feel like I'm bashing Tarte today. Tarte came out with a Be a Mermaid and Make Waves eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be honest with you. At first glance, I was like, oh, I need that eyeshadow palette. But y'all been watching my Would I Buy It Again series. So really what I like in this collection are the 3 blues at the bottom. Now, if you cover up those 3 blues, what you're left with is a hella boring palette. So for $42, I think I could go to like the NYX section, or, you know, if I wanted to step it up to a higher end, I could go to the Urban Decay section. Purchase a similar blue if there's one that you like. I kind of like that one at the very tip-top bottom. Because the rest of the colors are nothing but pinks. Like there's 2 pinks that look like they're the exact same color. So no, Tarte, no. No, boo-boo. I see a trend. This spring and summer is going to be all about that body glow. Tarte came out with a Mer-Mist Shimmer Spray from the Rainforest of the Sea collection. This is for you to spritz wherever you want. On your body, on your face, whatever. Again, find you some liquid highlighter. Drop it in a spray if you want. I actually took a body oil that I had that I really liked the scent, and I dropped some of the liquid highlighter drops in there, and it turned out really pretty. So $22 is not bad. I appreciate Tarte, whereas, you know, Rihanna went to the almost $60. Tarte did keep it a little low, so $22 isn't bad, but you can make this stuff yourself, so I will not be purchasing any of that. Okay, Kevyn and Aucoin came out with the Neo blushes. $38 for a blush. And don't get me wrong, I would pay $38 for a blush. But I have yet to purchase a Kevyn Aucoin product that I liked. I don't understand why he is so revered in the makeup industry, because I've tried a foundation, didn't like it. I tried 2 foundations, did not like. What else did I buy? I bought an eyeshadow palette. Small palette, big bucks. Returned it to Sephora. Didn't like it. I don't understand. I don't understand the hype with the Kevyn Aucoin products. I've just not been impressed.